Hello everyone. Today, me and my friend will present about our supply chain management assignment regarding to establishing inventory safety stocks at Kellogg's. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Gregorius Arya Panditha Wicaksana and also my friend Adam Yusuf KARTODIWIRYO and BUNGA HAYATUL HUSNA UTAMI. So, welcome to listen to our
First one
explanation.
is supply chain process at Kellogg's. There are three sectors. The first one is primary. This is where the raw material is provided to the company from around the world. In this primary sector, the example is corn, wheat, and sugar. And the next one, secondary sector. This is where the products are made using the raw material supply and shipped to the wholesaler or stored in warehouse. For example, in secondary sector is cornflakes, card, and box. Uh, the stage from the primary sector to secondary sector there are transport and warehousing. And the next one from the secondary sector to tertiary sector is same. There are transport and warehousing. Tertiary sector is uh, a service sector that companies in the secondary sector use to optimize or benefit business process. For example, is in tertiary sector is supermarket, and from the supermarket we have transport to the customer.
Okay, now we continue to the next topic about why Kellogg need to establish safety stock for their inventory. So from our group, we choose three reasons why Kellogg need to establish safety stock for their inventory. The first one is determine inventory levels precisely. So safety stock is needed to determine the exact amount of the inventory. And if there is too much of the inventory, the circulation of the money will stop in the company's trading capital. And on the other hand, if there is too little, the inventory is less, the company will run out of the inventory. So, based on the first reason why Kellogg need to establish safety stock is to determine the inventory levels precisely. And second, to anticipate change in demand and can take more advantage. So as we know that the law of the supply and demand is always influenced by market condition. And if market condition always move, and we know that the market condition always move dynamically, then the Kellogg or the company must implement the safety stock so they can anticipate the change in demand and can take more the advantage. And last is maximize profit. So we know that all of the company they have the goal to get the profit. And yeah, like the Kellogg too, Kellogg want to get the profit and want to maximize the profit too. And by establishing this safety stock, they can maximize maximize their profit. So I think that's all for me about the reason why Kellogg need to establish the safety stock for their inventory. And we can continue to the next topic by my friend. Thank you.
Kellogg's planning system KPS works. There are two types. The first one is operational and tactical. Operational is at a weekly level of detail, help determine where products are produced and how finished product and in-process products are shipped between plant and distribution centers. In 1995, operational KPS reduced production, inventory, and distribution costs by an estimate 4.5 million. And for the tactical KPS is at a monthly level of detail, helps to establish plan budget and make capacity expansion and consolidation decision. Uh, Per year, tactical KPS recently guided a consolidation of production capacity with project saving of $35 to $45 million per year. And for over a decade, the Kellogg's company has used KPS, a large-scale multi-period linear program, to guide production and distribution decision for its cereal and convenience foods business. So this is the operational KPS. The operational version of KPS makes production, packaging, inventory, and distribution decisions at a weekly level of detail. There are the formula hold T hold T minus 1 plus make T minus D min T. For all time periods in weeks, where hold T is the inventory for a single product at the end of period T, make T is the production of the product during time period T, and demand is the exogenous demand for the product during period T. So there are tactical KPS. The tactical model is identically to the operational one, except time period consists of four-week blocks called months. So in operational is weekly, the tactical is month. Transportation is typically treated as instantaneous, and the spatial time cascade solution technique helps deal with the limit product shelf life.
So hello everyone, my name is YUSUF and I'm from class 43 International, and today I will be explain what are the benefits obtained from using this system from the Kellogg company. So let's talk Kellogg system first. So Kellogg possesses an organized and well-equipped transportation and storage system to ensure the products do not spoil and reach customer in fine quality. They follow the lean production system, also known as Toyota Production System or JIT, just in time, to streamline process and eliminate waste. Kellogg Planning System or KPS is a large-scale linear program. It is used for operation, production, inventory, and distribution system. It helps the company in optimizing production inventory costs and also the budgeting. The process the company consider important in its supply chain are therefore location, size and scale, storage, and the shipment. So these are the benefits. And now let's talk about the JIT or the lean production system. Kellogg manufacture direct products based on their research into customer needs. So it will take the research from what the consumer needs or the public wants, and then it will uh, make the product based on exactly that result from the research. So it manages the distribution channel to place its product in the store, and from that research, and it's also focused on cost-effective system, ensure its price remain competitive. Just in time to our JIT provide an efficient stock inventory system. JIT means that enough products are made to fulfill orders and limited stock is kept, and thus it is imperative that Kellogg gets the balance right at each section of the supply chain. So it will be exactly get that amount of product. If there's one place that need 100, it will get exactly 100. So it will balance right. And then let deliveries or the failure to deliver due to lack of product may make retail buy from competitors. So Kellogg also aims to reduce the lead time to preempt uncertain customer demands and control excessive costs. So, and there are also other factors such as Kellogg collaboration in tertiary sector and employing technology for efficient distribution and restocking, where Kellogg itself can't do it all at once, so they are partnering with other firms that specialize in that sector, which will help because they are the specialists in that sector which Kellogg's are. So in conclusion, a peek at Kellogg's operation and process show that industrial supply chain need to interact to ensure goods and service reach consumer efficiently, so the customer will get the product in finest quality, and the efficient delivery of the product to the consumer at the right price, in the right place, and at the right time will result in good business for each link of the chain. This takes strategic planning and effective collaboration with all partners. So the company collaborates with firms such as TDG and Kimberly-Clark for logistics and FDF for environmental performance. That also has helped the company to build long-lasting relationship to value the end customer. Partnering with industry specialists benefits the business, the customer, the environment, and shows how specialization has made Kellogg supply chain management more cost effective and socially responsible. So that's all from me and from my group. Thank you everyone, especially Mr. Afon for the amazing semester, and yeah, goodbye.